Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi. I was a student at Anastasis Academy in Beta 3 and Beta 4. And if I were to describe my experience at Anastasis Academy in a word, then it would be terrific. Everything from classes to sheets to tests was of top-notch quality. The way Shankar sir approaches a concept and covers it in class is legit amazing. He would start from the very basic level and gradually goes to the higher levels, the levels that are being asked in CAT, and sometimes even beyond those levels. He never really asked us to learn a formula for a concept. There was always a reasoning behind everything that he ever taught in class. So for every concept, for every formula, there was a detailed reasoning accompanying that formula. And in DILR, sir would teach us an effective way of recording a set and made us practice a lot of DILR sets. In fact, in our preparation phase, there were many classes in QA and DILR where sir would teach us like how to solve a particular section. Sir conducted those question selections or set selection classes, which was like very helpful during mocks and obviously during the main exam. And in VARC, sir's way of making two options fight with each other and then arriving at the correct answer would make you fall in love with solving RCs. And we had a huge number of VRC questions, RCs, quants questions, and DILR sets available on our website. There was never a need to go out and look for extra questions. We had everything in one place. We had so much that I don't think so that like anyone of us would have been able to solve all of those questions that are being present there. And not just that, there was also always a mentorship aspect in Shankar sir's teaching. So there were like lots of times when I would have just given up preparing for CAT, and I was like so low during my preparation phase. And in those times I would text Shankar sir and I would like ask him to like what to do, like how to navigate that I just want to give up. And there were and he would just say a couple of lines that would make me come out of my anxiety and start focusing on my prep again. So there was always that. And the way he resolved our doubts was also very helpful. We could always raise our hand in during the class and clarify our doubts, and there was also a Telegram group where we could just post our doubts and sir would clarify the doubt, or some other student would clarify that doubt in a few hours and sometimes even in few minutes. So there was that. And one more thing, like our group and everything, our classes, our group was a very I would say it was very disciplined. There was never any bullshit that was going on. Shankar sir would take a no for bullshit. He would not allow any bullshit happening in his class or in his group. He was very strict about that, which was again helpful and helped in maintaining focus and discipline in the class and the group. And so I think that if it were not for Anastasis Academy, then I would not be where I am today in terms of my CAT preparation, my CAT score, and my OMITS prep. And so I think that I'll forever be indebted to Anastasis Academy for the role it played in my CAT prep. Thank you.